Today for the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano and altcoin prices. Guys, this is gonna be a different video. And if you saw my bearish warning yesterday and you were asking, Chris, are you still bullish? This video is made for you. Watch this video until the very end. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. And today I'm wrapping up here in my candlestick shoes again, red and green, to represent the candlesticks. And right now it's, the question is, of course, are we going to see red price action or green one? Let's talk about that. I will start with the Bitcoin price, then I will go over into Ethereum, Cardano and the altcoin section in general, and why I truly believe that if one specific thing happens, which I will mention today, a massive continuation of the altcoin season is going to happen. Wait here with me, bear with me until the very end. And this is the Bitcoin price right now on the 4-hourly candles. And just a quick note, whenever someone is now coming and saying, Chris, yesterday you made this game over video, I just provided you with a very unlikely scenario. And if this is not something for you, maybe you should go over to someone who is always bullish and telling you only the bullish strategies here, because then you are not prepared for the worst case scenario. And I can tell you, in the end of the bear market, many people will thank me for these videos. So anyways, we got like 10,000 likes, to 700 dislikes, so still I think that 93% here are on the good side of crypto. Anyways, here, so you can see on the 4-hourly candles for Bitcoin still didn't break the downward sloping support, but so far we are getting a bounce here. And if Bitcoin is going higher to our neckline of 49,200, breaking the neckline, the moment we break the neckline, my price target is this W pattern, 52,240. This didn't change. This W pattern is still upcoming, and we still, once we break the neckline, are looking out for bullish price targets. The only invalidation point is here obviously our previous low. If we are breaking the previous low, whether you take this one or this one, you could actually take this one here. We are very close to that one already, 46,200. We can expect some furthermore downwards price action. And remember, if this W pattern turns out to be playing out, this is the first vertical line here, you can see it right there. Then we would break the bigger neckline. Breaking the bigger neckline on the grand scheme of things is actually breaking the cup and handle pattern here, which is a little bit far-fetched. But, well, if this flag continues a little bit, we are breaking out and breaking then the neckline of the cup and handle pattern. You remember my price target, and this would be exactly at the 11 years resistance, exactly at 72,400 US dollars. And talking about the 11 years resistance, this is actually in resistance, this long 11 years orange line which we hit in the end of every single bull cycle. I was inspired on by MMCrypto. Before I go into the altcoin section, before I tell you my insane price target for Cardano, my insane price target for Ethereum, and also my view on the altcoin section, I wanted to introduce you quickly here CryptoMo.
What's up, guys? How are you?
He has like the biggest, or one of the biggest German trading channels, and also a English channel, CryptoMo. Just type in CryptoMo. He has a very interesting fractal which actually shows that Bitcoin could go to 163,000 US dollars until January. Let's have a quick look at it. So maybe you can explain.
I took a look at the charts this morning and I saw that I remembered this price action, and I saw something very similar in the past, and immediately when I zoomed out, I came to the conclusion that I saw this price action when we broke the old all-time high from the 2017 bull market. And if we just take this price action and bring it over here to our current price action, we can already see, without changing anything, the daily time frame perfectly fits.
Yeah, look at this, guys. He didn't change anything. He didn't screw it, he didn't bend it, he didn't stretch it. Exactly the same.
Exactly the same price
So what
action
should happen here very soon in the next few daily candles if we were to recover this price action?
I mean, we could definitely expect a big pump. I mean, I have this small descending triangle here on the daily chart, and I think as soon as we break this, the potential for a new all-time high increases dramatically because of this fractal. And if we expect the same percentage gains like we had in the last time we saw this fractal, I mean, it would bring us up to a price of around $154,000.
Wow.
I mean, we have to take it with a grain of salt, as you just said when I first showed you this this fractal. But still, I think it's a very nice thing, and it's definitely not bearish for sure.
Bearish, it's for sure not. Yes. And of course, we shouldn't take it with a grain of salt. We have diminishing returns to scale. In the end of the day, it is just a fractal, but the similarities here are very, very interesting, and in the end of the day, the human psychology didn't change since then, right? And the price action is a mirror of the human psychology, plus fundamentals, plus the asset in and of itself, plus money printing, and so on. So this is very interesting. And now I wanted to thank you very much for that, for sure.
No
Great
problem.
one. I wanted to go over into Ethereum, Cardano, and the altcoin section just very, very quickly. Also remember, I am having my trade here open over on Phemex, 5.2 million US dollars I am having still in. I am continuously scaling out here, 1.73 million US dollars in a profit. If you want to trade as well, go down below to the pinned comment section. 7,070 US dollars in free bonuses on Bybit alone, 3,560 US dollars. Now, before I go over into it, wanted to show you this here. Yesterday, someone proposed on the top of my building to someone. Very beautiful to witness that. Wish prosperity and love and health and happiness to everyone who's watching that, including these two people here. Very, very nice. And now let's go over here into the charts, back into the charts. And you know what? I will turn on the AC because I'm sweating too much. Please excuse me if the sound is a little bit too crazy from the AC. So I want to go over quickly here into the Bitcoin dominance before I go over into Cardano. What you can see on the Bitcoin dominance is something I was talking about a long time ago. The moment we broke this ascending triangle here to the downside, I was telling you likelihood significantly increases for an altcoin boom, and the Bitcoin dominance went down and we had an altcoin boom. Now we had the rising wedge, higher likelihood to break down. We are breaking down, altcoin boom. Now I want to tell you guys, we had a long retracement down on the Bitcoin dominance already. And now that we are breaking this this rising wedge, of course, it's still not the end of the day for the Bitcoin dominance. But if we were to break the 40 to 39% level, I think blue skies ahead for the altcoins. Of course, be very careful. I'm still holding myself 75% in Bitcoin, but this, of course, could solidify here the assumption of a rising altcoin season on the horizon. Now, Ethereum, and this is, guys, this is one for the history books. If I'm zooming in here on Ethereum, just a second, guys, if I'm zooming in here a little bit on Ethereum, then you can see we have this beautiful symmetrical triangle where I was accurately predicting this exact price target of closely below 3,600 US dollars. Look at this. In the moment we broke down, I updated you. And if you're saying, Chris, you didn't do that, well, let me go over to Twitter, and there you can see 1 day ago I posted this here. Follow me at MMCrypto over on Twitter if you want to get a hold of these trade calls where I was posting in the exact moment of the Ethereum breakout, the breakout itself, and also my price target. We hit the price target, and this is not a joke, up to the exact dollar. Congratulations for everyone who is subscribed to my MMCrypto Twitter channel. And now the question is there more upside for Ethereum? And I'm telling you, yes, potentially it is. If I am going on the Bitcoin to Ethereum Bitcoin chart, so Ethereum measured in Bitcoin, then you can see the breakout I mentioned way back, like weeks back, right here is actually getting followed through, and we hit a new local high on the Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. So right now we can still expect, if we were to hit the price target here, another upwards movement of approximately, bam, 16%. And this is, ladies and gentlemen, not 16% in the Ethereum US dollar chart. No, this is 16% against Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin gets bullish, follow through towards the upside, this is 16% on top of that. Keep it in mind, I am holding 15% of my holdings in Ethereum since a very long time, because I think the first time I got, like, I made this extremely bullish video in December or January. Since then, Ethereum 10 times in price or so. I don't remember, maybe 5 times. So we are doing very well on that regard. And now, of course, I know we have a lot of Cardano holders. Thank you so much for your patience. The question is, what is going to happen to Cardano? Well, this is the Cardano Bitcoin chart. I wanted to go over into the Cardano Ethereum chart. Cardano US dollar chart. I'm very hungry. I'm fasting half day per day, so I really need some food before I can think straight again. But what you can see here, this is the 4-hourly symmetrical triangle I was talking about earlier, and now there is no time left. We are going to break out, and listen to this, today or tomorrow. Cardano is going to break out today or tomorrow. This is what I can tell you for almost a certainty. And the price target is still we have a bullish price target on the upside if I were to pull out the measurement tool at $3.60, slightly below, and we have a bearish price target if we were to break out towards the downside, less likely since this is a continuation pattern, less likely the downside, slightly below $2.10. Guys, this is going to be interesting. If you are going to trade Cardano, wait for the breakout, wait for a 4-hourly close outside, wait for volume follow through, and also for a confirmation of the breakout. But if we are breaking out, this might be a good trade. You can trade altcoins down below with our $7,000 bonus as well, but make sure you do it only if you are an experienced trader. And of course, trading altcoins is even more risky than trading Bitcoin. Anyways, guys, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. And we are going to see each other at the next one of MMCrypto. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And as always, guys, bye-bye.